I believe that is a black aphid with wings. I damaged the wings so it couldn't fly away and start making clones on the rest of my plants. And those are lace bugs. To me, they look like a tiny cross between stink or shield bugs and bed bugs. Clear little bed bug, shield bug things. Yuck. They have piercing, the lace bugs have piercing mouth parts, like aphids. And that's just a black aphid with wings. I'm not sure about lace bugs, but aphids just make clones. It's parthenogenesis. They don't need a male. They just make tiny little female clones of themselves, and that's how they have babies. And those babies grow up to make their own clones. They do that until the end of the summer, especially in colder regions. And then they'll, I don't know how that works, but they have some male offspring at the end of the growing season for the next year. And then the next year, I think the male and female make one group of offspring, and then it's back to cloning until the end of that summer. I'm not sure if that's how lace bugs do it, but all aphid species do that. Parthenogenesis. Oh yeah, you see the one closest to us, you can see its mouth parts. I just saw both front legs move, and then its mouth part had went into the leaf, and it's a sunflower leaf. Just wait. All those little black dots are the poops of them and generations before them. It's so gross. They usually like to hang out, the lace bugs, in a big... That's so gross. Somebody just sent me a dick pic on a text. I just saw it. Blech.